Hi, my name is Tilla. Welcome to my studio where all the creativity happens. For Heritage Week, the Scientific Society Swakopmund asked me to give a workshop on masks because of COVID-19. I suppose we are going to wear masks for a long time, and your mask shouldn't be boring. It can be exciting, and it can also reflect your heritage or where you come from. So we'll do some animal masks for kids. We'll do some bandana masks that's got patterns on, like African patterns. We can do some embroidered masks or even some cultural masks with beading on. Okay, here we have like a mask from African fabrics, and then I've put some beads on because beading, we said beading are used in a lot of cultures. So I've put some beads on. You can just glue it on with fabric glue. You will just get some fabric glue, glue it onto your mask. Glue the beads onto your mask and you're ready to go and wow the people out there with your unique and individual mask. Okay, for the embroidered mask, here we've embroidered like the camel thorn trees, little yellow flowers when spring starts. Before you finish it, you will use like a nice linen fabric that's natural, and then you can embroider on it any design that you want. You can do like a circle or like a pattern. For this one we've used the stem stitch, French knots and lazy daisy stitch to do. For the bandana, it goes like this, around your head, around your... So here what we've done is we've made like patterns, you can, with jig on it, just ordinary jig. You need t-shirt fabric, 50 centimeters by 25 centimeters. It's best to sort of experiment on a small piece beforehand, because you'd get different effects. So on the blue you get like a pinkish, purplish color. On the yellow it goes white. And a bottle of jig that we all have in our kitchens, and a paintbrush or some earbuds. You can make like a nice triangle, all those patterns that you see all over. So you will make a nice triangle maybe, or with the paintbrush you can just do a white, and see there your color starts coming out. So decide beforehand what type of pattern you want, so that you don't make a mess of your bandana. And if you're finished with your bandana and the patterns that you wanted to make, you can just do stripes, or you can draw a little picture on it. If you're finished, it will look like this. The only thing you have to do is close it up like this and stitch across. And there you have your bandana. With the kids we are going to make like animal masks, but animals from Namibia. today they are going to make, they can make like a lion or a zebra. For that you need the smaller pattern. This pattern is a little bit different than the adult's pattern. You need scissors, you need fabric, 20 centimeters for your base of your mask, and you need felt offcuts that you can cut out all the different ears and eyes and nostrils of the animals, as well as googly eyes to put on. You can also use hot glue, but with the kids I would rather use like a fabric glue, because the hot glue can burn them. So we'll get some kids and we'll see what type of mask they're going to make. So then we've cut it out. Ask them to put, you can do it with hot glue, but I think it's too dangerous for small kids, so we just used fabric glue. Put dots of fabric on the felt, and then just let them press it firmly onto their mask.